In this video, I am going to tell you how to make money with NFT. NFT stands for non-fungible token, which is a digital collector's item. NFTs have been around since 2015. Beeple, a digital artist, sold an NFT of his work for $69 million in March 2021. By October 2021, one of the biggest NFT marketplaces, OpenSea, had $2.6 billion sales, which is approximately 500 times more than the previous year. The first step is to have, or make something, that can be turned into a non-fungible token. If you have any artwork, whether digital or physical, then you can use the photos as NFT. You can design new ones with Photoshop or websites like Canva. You can hire freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's not only photos, videos, memes, music, to video game items. Almost any asset can be turned into an NFT if it's available in a digital format. Search YouTube for videos on how to design NFT. Step 2. Make sure to have a crypto wallet with some crypto bucks in it. This will be used to pay any fees associated with putting an NFT up for sale. The same wallet can be used to receive funds once your NFT is sold. I recommend MetaMask wallet. Step 3. Pick a platform to sell your NFT on. Different platforms charge different fees and have different terms and specializations. Most importantly, they offer different blockchains to host your NFT on. Choosing the right blockchain is important, since they affect security and usability for different people. Two big NFT platforms are OpenSea and Rarible. Step 4. Mint your NFT, which is creating a new NFT on a blockchain or marketplace. You pay a one-time fee called gas. After that, the blockchain earn commission on your sales. Step 5. Selling your NFT is as simple as hitting sell on the platform you have your NFT on. You can sell it for a fixed price, have a timed auction, or an unlimited auction. The buyer pays the NFT's price, plus some fees, which might go to the platform, to receive the digital collectible. Last step is to start marketing your NFT. Some people use influencers, or make their NFT as unique as possible, so it can go viral. Search online for other marketing strategies for NFT. Before you leave, subscribe this channel, turn on notification, like, and share the video.